What makes us Homo sapiens, the dominant species on Earth? Prepare for a journey through time as we delve into Yuval Noah Harari's enlightening book Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. Picture a world 300,000 years ago, home to various human species. Yet it was the sapiens who stood out, thanks to our extraordinary brains. We mastered complex language, enabling us to collaborate and share ideas. This, coupled with our upright stature and tool usage, gave us a significant advantage. However, our ascendancy wasn't without challenges. A pivotal event known as the cognitive revolution about 70,000 years ago triggered a profound shift in our cognition. We began producing art, using symbols, and establishing intricate social structures. This newfound intelligence, though, came with a price: warfare and tribal conflicts. Now imagine us 12,000 years ago, swapping our nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle for a settled existence through agriculture. While this revolution enabled larger populations and permanent dwellings, it also presented its own set of problems. Farming was grueling, and food security became a perpetual concern. We also became more vulnerable to diseases that proliferated in close quarters. Agriculture, however, had a profound effect: the rise of civilizations. Surplus food allowed the emergence of complex societies with specialized roles: farmers, priests, warriors, leading to the advent of writing, empires, and organized religion. As natural storytellers, we crafted myths and religions to decipher the world and unite large groups. These shared beliefs, factual or not, facilitated cooperation on an unprecedented scale. We erected massive empires like the Romans and the Chinese, and stretched the limits of science, art, and philosophy. However, our dependence on imagination also had its drawbacks. We instigated wars over religious differences, and social hierarchies became deeply entrenched. What does the future hold for us? Harari doesn't claim to have a crystal ball, but he does explore potential futures shaped by advancements in biotechnology and artificial intelligence. Could we merge with machines? Could we overcome our destructive tendencies and create a more peaceful world? Only time will tell. Sapiens provides a captivating exploration through the history of our species. It urges us to understand who we are, where we came from, and what the future might bring. So if you're intrigued by the human story, this book is undoubtedly a must-read, or rather, a must-watch. Thanks for joining.